A personal blender sounds like an easy buy, until you get one that can't handle frozen fruit, struggles with ice, or leaves weird chunks of spinach floating around. The best one depends on what you blend and how often you use it. Here's a more feature-focused breakdown of the best personal blenders and what they're actually good at. Nutribullet Pro Nutrient Extractor. This is the classic daily smoothie machine because it has the right mix of power, simplicity, and speed. The 900-watt motor is strong enough for frozen berries, bananas, protein powder, oats, and nut butter add-ins, and it usually blends to a smooth texture without you having to stop and shake the cup 10 times. The design is dead simple. You load the ingredients into the blending cup, twist it onto the blade base, flip it, and blend. That twist lock setup is why it feels fast for morning routines. It's also great for small tasks like salsa, quick sauces, and blending soft veggies for soups. Cleanup is easy if you rinse right after blending. Cup, blade, done. The main limitation is super hard ice-heavy blends. It can do some ice, but if you want constant crushed ice style smoothies every day, a Ninja might feel stronger. For most people who want reliable smoothies and shakes with minimal effort, this one just works. Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender. The Ultra is basically Nutribullet's premium version of the personal blender idea. The biggest difference in real use is the refined experience. It's built to feel more polished, usually runs a bit smoother, and tends to blend more evenly with less noise and vibration than older style personal blenders. It's great if you like thicker blends. Think protein-heavy shakes, smoothies with chia/flax, or thicker fruit mixes, because it can keep the blend consistent without leaving clumps. It also fits nicely for people who blend often and want something that feels more countertop-worthy in both design and performance. Another win is that it's designed to keep the workflow clean. Blend directly in the cup, swap to a lid, and you're out the door. If you're making smoothies almost daily and you care about smoother texture and a more premium feel, this is a strong upgrade over the basic Pro. Nutribullet Flex. This one is all about convenience. The big feature is portability. It's designed so you can blend without being tied to a wall outlet, which makes it great for travel, dorms, office desks, and gym life. In real use, it's awesome for lighter blends, protein shakes, soft fruit smoothies, pre-cut fruit, and quick breakfast blends when you're rushing. It's also great if you want a blender that lives in your bag or stays at work. The trade-off is physics. Portable blenders are usually not as strong as plug-in models for crushing lots of ice or powering through very thick mixes. If you try to do heavy frozen blends, you'll end up doing more shaking and reblending. But if your priority is blend anywhere and your recipes are reasonable, Flex is super practical. Magic Bullet Blender. This is the budget-friendly, simple choice. The main feature is that it's compact and beginner-proof. It's great for protein shakes, mixing soft fruit smoothies, making dips, blending onions/garlic for sauces, or quick small batch tasks like pancake batter. The cup and blade system keeps it easy. Blend in the cup, rinse, done. The limitation is power. If you regularly use frozen fruit, ice, or thick smoothies, you'll hit the ceiling fast. This is not the blender you buy for smoothie bowls or heavy crushing. But if you blend occasionally and want a cheap, small blender that's easy to store and doesn't take over your counter, it's still a solid entry-level pick. Ninja BlendBOSS. This is the I want personal blender convenience, but I also want it to hit hard option. Ninja's strength is usually ice and frozen blending, so this is the kind of blender you choose if you like thicker smoothies, frozen fruit mixes, and smoothie bowls. In real use, it tends to handle tougher ingredients better, ice cubes, frozen berries, thick blends that stall weaker motors. It's also a good pick if you like consistent texture, because Ninja-style blades and power tend to pulverize ingredients rather than leaving gritty bits behind. Another practical advantage, if you meal prep or blend multiple times a day, a stronger blender feels less frustrating because you don't have to stop, shake, and restart constantly. If your smoothies are heavy, thick, and frozen, this one is usually the less struggle pick. Beautiful Personal Blender. This one is for people who care about aesthetics but still want solid everyday performance. The standout feature is design. These are made to look nice on the counter and match modern kitchens. In real use, it's great for smoothies, shakes, and basic blending tasks without needing a bulky pro blender vibe. It's a good fit if you're making soft fruit smoothies, protein drinks, or casual morning blends. The downside is it's not the hardcore crushing pick compared to the Nutribullet Pro or Ninja, so if your typical blend is a frozen brick with ice, you might want a stronger option. But if you want a blender that looks great, is easy to use, and handles everyday blending comfortably, it's a good lifestyle pick. If you want the best all-around blend of power and simplicity, the Nutribullet Pro 900 watts is the safe buy. If you blend often and want a more refined experience, the Nutribullet Ultra is the upgrade. For blending anywhere, Flex is the portable choice. For basic, occasional use, Magic Bullet is the budget classic. For thick frozen blends and smoothie bowls, Ninja is the strongest personal blender. Style pick. And if you want something stylish that still works well for everyday smoothies, Beautiful is the aesthetic option.